Embracing digital transformation in schools, the journey through COVID-19 and beyond. In 2020, the world faced an unprecedented challenge, COVID-19, that transformed every aspect of our lives, especially education. Schools worldwide had to close their doors, and the traditional classroom setting suddenly became a thing of the past. The solution? Going digital. This wasn't just an option, but a necessity to ensure learning continued amidst global lockdowns. Teachers quickly adapted, utilizing online platforms for lessons, making the digital leap to keep education accessible for all students. The transition wasn't smooth for everyone, but it unveiled the potential of digital learning, from flexibility to accessibility. Even as schools reopen, many digital practices remain. Hybrid models, online resources, and tech-enhanced learning have become the new norm. This digital evolution in education, born out of necessity, has paved the way for a more inclusive, flexible, and innovative future of learning.